Welcome to the Code Funhouse Haunted House. Prepare yourself for a spine-chilling adventure as we explore decimal number, also known as float data type in Python. Discover the magic of decimal numbers. Dive into a world where numbers come alive in the most unexpected ways. In Python, we can also work with decimals numbers such as 8.5, 10.99, etc. These are called floats. Floats allow us to perform precise calculations, making them essential for various programming tasks. Just like calculating the cost of a spooky ticket, floats help us handle decimal numbers with ease. Imagine buying a ticket for a haunted house. Floats ensure you get the exact price down to the last cent. Here's an example code. Head over to your Code Funhouse editor and type ticket_price = 8.5 print ticket price. See how Python easily remembers the ticket price even with the decimal? Let's see another example. Imagine yourself walking through a long, eerie corridor in the haunted house. The walls are covered in cobwebs and you can hear faint whispers echoing around you. Your task is to declare a variable to store the length of this creepy corridor. Once you have done that, ask Python to display the length on the screen. This will help you visualize the spooky path ahead. Here's how to do this. Head over to your Code Funhouse IDE and type alley_length = 31.4. Print alley length. Here's a challenge. Create your own task. Are you ready for a spine-chilling adventure? Imagine you're trapped in a haunted maze, surrounded by eerie sounds and shadows lurking around every corner. Your mission is to design a Python program that calculates the time it takes to escape based on your running speed and the maze's complexity. Can you make it out before the clock runs out? The clock is ticking, and every second counts. Will you escape or be trapped forever? Thanks for joining us once again on Code Funhouse. Don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe. Bye!